Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, lathes, grinders, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice lathe that just came in. A geared head engine lathe. Comes with a lot of nice options on it. It's got the 5C collet closure. It's got a JFK tool post with tool holders, a 3 and a 4 jaw chuck, as well as a nice little steady rest or a faceplate right here. The faceplate works with the gap, so you can take this gap out. This entire area right here removes from the machine. You can put the faceplate on and face some larger stuff, probably a little bit over 20 inches. Machine also comes with a steady rest and a follow rest and coolant, a center, drill chuck, some miscellaneous tooling, and I think we might even have some collets to go with this collet closure. The machine's in good running condition. It does inch and metric threading. We'll go ahead and show you how everything runs. Right now we have it in the slow mode. Everything works on it. The waves feel good on the machine, nice and clean. That's in low mode. We'll go ahead and use the foot brake to stop it. And we'll put it into high gear. As you can see, we have the threading engaged right now. Here's your thread screw. And now it's in threading mode. As I said, it does have inch and metric threading. There's a chart on the side here. You can check the specs and see what's on there. We'll go ahead and stop the machine, take it from threading mode to feed mode. Here you can see the cross feed. And longitudinal feed. The head sounds real nice on this machine. It's all ready to go. If you're interested in this lathe or any other lathe, larger or smaller, we carry all sizes and brands. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.